Okay, so yesterday I removed this fence post from my yard. After about an hour of digging around it, I decided to consult YouTube, and they showed me another way to do it without digging at all, which was using a 2x4 and a ratchet strap to basically use it as a lever and hoist the entire thing out of the ground without digging at all. So this is our post, and I plan to reuse it once we're having some work done in the backyard, and this needs to be removed in order to get the machines back there. But this will be replaced once they're finished. And so I have removed the straps that connect the fence to this post, which is going to stay in the ground, and left them on this one. So once I pull it up, it should pull this whole post and fence out and onto the ground. So let's get started. So you might be able to tell here, rained quite a bit over the last couple days and the ground is saturated. So that's going to make it easier for me to pull this up, and which is fortunate. The YouTuber I saw do this said it could be used in any type of soil, rocky, muddy, wet, dry, whatever. But hopefully this wet soil is going to make it easier for us. So what we're going to do is start off, because the soil is wet, we're going to use this as our base. Otherwise our lever is just going to go into the ground and not do anything. So we need something to distribute the weight and the force on the ground for our lever. So bring over your big 2x4 and set it next to your post. And then we're just going to tie this 2x4 to the post with the ratchet strap and lever this thing up. It's going to pull this post right out of the ground. Alright, so we got our ratchet strap here. I've allowed about arm's length, about 5.5 feet of ratchet strap to wrap around this. So I'm going through here, around the post, underneath, and then back through around the post again. And then we'll go back underneath the wood. And then just repeat till you got enough line around there. This is a ratchet strap that is rated, I believe, at 2,000 pounds. There should be plenty of force. Well, it's coming. It's coming, but you need to make it lower or something. Alright, that's it guys. Thanks for watching.